Okay guys, let's draw something on our nice computer. Let's do art and craft. But when we start, I just want to tell you something. I'm new in this channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my art and galleries. So guys, subscribe to my channel and like that, because I'm gonna draw something good and you don't know. So let's do with the first day. So I'm gonna be pausing because I can't follow. So because I'm gonna be pausing. So let's write the date. But I promise you that I will bring a nice drawing. Okay? But still subscribe to my channel and like it so much. Okay guys, let's start writing the date. Okay, so I wrote it and now let's start the drawing. So I'm gonna do my first step with her hair. I started doing with her hair and it looks awesome. So let's continue with her face. Afterwards I started doing her face and then the neck. But I guess that looks bad. Right guys? Okay, don't worry, it was just a silly mistake. Let's go on with the body. Now, I've made her face a little good and made her dress. It looks like creamy, watery, and her tassels look so awesome. Let's make her hands and legs. Hit her with her body and her dress. I already told you. And the hands and the legs. Now I made an umbrella in her hand and the purse and some drops around because it's raining. And some muddy puddles too around, like water spouts. These are the water spouts and these are the water which is spilled on the ground. Let's color. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and I'm done, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Bye, 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 bye. Peace and a Bye, guys.